Alright, so I made this custom fish tank. It's not done. I gotta make a few more modifications, but everything. This slides open so you can access the feeding like a pocket door. And then for cleaning purposes, these top panels actually pull out and open up so that they can clean it out. And a custom fit back in here. Let's see. A little tricky. Alright, there we are. And everything locks together like so. For a then these will actually go in and lock in. This has took me a long time because I haven't been able to work on it full speed, but this is a custom fish tank. Got tons in on the material alone. It's a big saltwater tank. It's nice. Anyhow.